Okay, hello everybody. So this is going to be my starting video, and I want to invite everybody to join me on my journey for my 1 year Bitcoin crypto journey. We'll just call it that. So I've downloaded this tool that you can use. What it does is it actually goes out, buys Bitcoins for you, and sells them. It's called Profit Trailer, which you can see on the screen. And I also have the add-on that goes with it, which is called a feeder. And that one is more tailored. So basically what it does is every 5 minutes, it looks at every single coin that's currently available or can be used to bought and sold. And it checks the status on if it's going up or down, whatever the trend is. And that's how it does its purchases. So I've completely cleared all my logs and started with a clean slate. I just updated my Profit Trailer version to 1.2.6.12. There was an issue. They had uploaded a .13 version, which kept banning my IP address from my server, and so I had to keep restarting and starting everything over new. So as you can see, my starting value is about $3,500, and we're going to see what's going to happen in 1 year with that $3,500. So as you can see, the profit for last week, yesterday, and today, that's all been cleared. You can see what the current trend is for the Bitcoin. So as you can see, the Bitcoin right now is at 11,182. We'll see where the Bitcoin ends up in 1 year from now. So just a couple things we can look at. So possible buys, that just shows you basically what it's looking at and thinks what it can or cannot buy. Here, these are the coins that it's actually purchased. I've got a trigger set for 0.75%. Anything above that, it'll automatically try and sell it. I've got the DCA, which basically just means something that as it starts getting lower and lower in the percentages, it's got these triggers. So you'll see right there, the trigger is set for minus 3.5%. So when it hits that trigger, it's going to go ahead and buy some more additional coins to lower the percentage so that it's going to take less to get back up to zero to actually then be able to sell. So like you said, you can see here, sales log has been emptied out, starting with a nice clean slate. And my goal is to let this server run now for the next 365 days. Let's see where it takes us.